Hi, I'm John White.
And I'm Ann White, and we are here in the Ellinghouse Arts and Humanities Center in the historic town of Virginia City. For the past few years, we have been thrilled to be working with the Bozeman Symphony to bring small ensembles of musicians to Virginia City through the Far Afield program. We get to share the music we love with the local community.
It's truly special to have these amazing world-class musicians come to our small community. They are so friendly, close, and personal. It's engaging, uplifting, and brings people together.
And Virginia City is just one stop for them.
Each summer for over 30 years, the Far Afield program has been nourishing rural communities by sending players all across Montana. They share live music that provides connection and inspiration to us all. Your support of Far Afield helps keep music traveling across Montana and enriching rural communities just like Virginia City. Thank you.